All right, guys, here we are. It's Monday, August 7th. We are trying to buy something at Target.
I need it to go to Disneyland. It's this little...
You'll see. Yeah. You'll see. The thing we are looking for has gone viral. So you know how that goes. Once it's viral, it's already been out of stock. It's not looking so good.
Wait. That's a different... Oh no, they're in a box like that.
Came to the back and pretty much had the same result. This one's really cool. I've never seen this. I've never seen this. Remove the battery pad to activate hugging power. Nice. This Cheshire is like $30. It's crazy. Anyways, then we're gonna take it on to the next Target.
I swear we're going to Disneyland, guys.
Continue our hunt. We have arrived to our second Target. I have a good feeling about this one because this one's closer to Disneyland.
That could be a good thing or a bad thing.
Yeah, definitely. But if we don't find it, I'm just gonna throw in a picture of what we're looking for exactly. Oh.
No.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, guys, this is literally what we're looking for. They don't have them here. They have Marvel ones. They have these. 2 in each. Snap us to anything.
Wait, what are those?
It says Chibi Snaps. I guess that's how big they are. Pause. All right, so real quick, guys, these are what they're supposed to look like. Jasmine is, of course, looking for the Oogie Boogie, the Zero,
or Jack.
or Jack. I like the Jack one myself. Sorry, Jazz.
Okay.
All right, change of plans. We didn't end up getting anything from that section, but here we are with Adorables. We've actually never bought these before, so this is brand new to us. They're mystery packs. They're like really small. 45 to collect from this series alone. And in this box, it contains 5, 6, or 7 figurines.
Open for 7.
There you go. Those are the odds. Let's see. These are the ones you can get. There's a lot of... we chose this pack because there's a lot of good characters in here. So people that we like. Cheshire, Marie, May. Of course, the Muppets. Jasmine really likes Ludwig von Drake.
What?
And then...
I don't.
So we'll see what else we can get from here.
Ooh.
Okay, we love mystery packs.
And we got 5. Unless they like put them in there. Put 2 in there, I doubt it.
First character is...
Oh my god.
It's
That's
this
literally the character you said. Who is that?
Okay, we'll review the characters in a minute, but... Damn, that's funny. I was actually like, I don't know who the hell this character is. From Monsters, maybe? Monsters U? Max? Okay, that's cool.
Is that not Pete?
Oh, no, Pete, sorry.
Oh my god. So far, this box.
That's kind of a dud.
Dale.
Nice. Huey, Dewey, Louie, one of them?
God, this box.
Oof, Cindy. All right, well, these are up for trade, so there's got to be some sort of community for these.
I know.
All right, guys, so here we are back at the Disneyland Resort. We hope you enjoyed that little adventure to Target real fast.
Adventure fail, but it's okay. I'm gonna find those.
Let me know if you're living for Adam the bucket hat or not. Are you here for it? Let me know. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna go around doing a pin trading in Frontierland. Same old.
I don't think any new merch really dropped.
Oh, yes it did. Yes it did.
What?
You know what it is. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm excited to show you guys. And just like that, we found exactly what we're looking for. This dress. No, but right here, the Jack Santa Claus version, sorry.
Me and Adam keep going back and forth whose it is.
It's mine.
It's mine.
If I'm being honest though, the only reason why I want this one...
This is ridiculous, you guys.
It's so I can get this and put it on Kermit. So I will have a festive Kermit when the time comes. So this one retails for $21.99, which is not bad. Standard price. Comes with an outfit, so can't go wrong with this one. Definitely about to purchase.
They also have this new nightmare dress. It's Jack inspired dress, and then a Sally one right over here.
I do like the Sally one because it comes with a beanie. So
you already have one.
I have a red beanie.
It didn't fit him.
I don't know where it's at. So here's what it looks like on a character. This is the Daisy one, and the Goofy one. That's pretty funny.
They also have these new Munchlings. These are really cute. Remy, Emil, Joy, Sadness, Sully, and Mike.
I have a big version of the Ratatouille, or the Remy one right here too.
Yeah. What is he? A French hot chocolate.
And there's the Emil one.
A strawberry croissant.
Don't see anything. You think we should get this Yago? I think we should get it.
Which one?
The Yago.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is probably the saddest pinboard I've ever seen in my life. I've seen pretty sad ones.
No, this one's pretty good.
This is what we have to trade to, by the way.
I know we don't always record it. Honestly, we forget, but they look something like this.
We're at the Golden Horseshoe. It's Jack's treat. He ended up getting us some mozzarella sticks.
Okay, but look at this picture. He's like, what's this? What's this?
So yeah, they're out of marinara sauce, but good old honey mustard.
No.
I'm telling you guys.
No.
I'm not gonna tell you to try it.
Ranch. It's actually because their marinara here is pretty good. It's like hot marinara sauce. Ranch will do.
We get the Simba one, please. Nice. It looks real. It appears to be real. I'm gonna grab it. It's an older pin. Yeah, it's fine to me. Nothing on this one.
It's not real.
You see anything, Jess?
No.
Right. We're in Frontierland for about an hour and a half or so. Made a lot of good trades, can't lie. But
At night it's been really good to us.
Yeah.
During the day it's just hot.
yeah, it's just way too hot to be outside right now in the heat trading. Like just standing there.
After the
At the
fireworks
benches.
it's always good.
You see anything on here, Jess?
No.
Miss
I don't think
Jess?
any are real, if I'm being honest.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
But look at this pumpkin.
This is real.
Yes. I didn't say, like, yes, I'm wearing pumpkin ears today. Yes, it's August 7th. Let me be.
Don't really see too many of those. So, we gotta grab it. This one says nothing. But it's pretty cool. It's legit. Well, alright.
You guys want to try trivia?
Yeah, sure, I'll try it.
Okay, can you name 5 Disney dragons?
Okay.
Maleficent?
Pete?
Huh?
Pete?
It's not Pete.
Oh, Elliot.
Elliot.
Elliot. The Reluctant Dragon?
Huh?
The Reluctant Dragon?
I'll give it to you.
Okay,
Oh,
Figment.
look at that box. Figment.
And one more.
Think of that pin box.
I know, I know.
Dragon.
The
I know.
25th anniversary just passed, and he's a sidekick.
Oh, Mushu.
Dang.
There you go. Yeah. Cool.
I have these 3.
Do the. Oh, I like that. I don't know. It's up to you.
The princess one?
Sure.
You keep getting that one. Oh no, you keep getting the piglet one.
It's real though, so. Yeah, I'll take it. Why not? Nothing.
You guys want to do trivia?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, what are you guys into?
Toy Story? I'm trying Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Or Monsters Inc.
Monsters Inc. I'm gonna lean towards Monsters Inc.
Okay.
It's my
Go for it.
favorite.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, Solei's your favorite character.
Oh yeah.
What's Boo's real name?
Mary?
Look at the monster one.
I have these ones too. Ooh, sorry about that.
Actually, would you mind if I do the both?
We can do two. We can do
Can you
two.
see?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do this one and that one.
Did you want to pin back for that?
No, I'm good.
All right, so Jazz and I have never seen these, so these are new to us. Don't know if they've been out. I'm sure they have, but anyways, this caught our eye. This is really cool.
It's Halloween bark with milk chocolate with candy corn pretzel bits and shaped sprinkles.
Not a fan of
we don't
candy
like
corn.
candy corn. I mean, it's okay. It's passable, but it's not really my first choice.
It does
You
look,
just don't like it.
No, this does look good though. I can't
It would
lie.
be bomb if it just had pretzels in it.
I don't know $15.99.
$15.99.
And also up here they have spiced apple or apple cider drink mix. So they have a spiced one, a caramel apple,
Red apple.
a red apple.
And then these, just Rice Krispie treats. They're probably really good. And then we almost got these, but Adam doesn't like pumpkin spice, so boo.
It's my fault, huh?
Yeah, it is, because it looks so good.
On the count of three, let's say goodbye to Mickey and the Spence, okay? On three. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mickey. Goodbye, Minnie. Goodbye, Pluto.
Bye, Pluto. All right, here's what we found on the boards and trivia. I really like this Pete one, honestly. I don't really see too many good Pete ones. And then these two we did trivia, and this one I believe.
Yeah.
So yeah, what do you guys think? Let us know your favorite from this one. All right, and here's what we ended up trading for at Frontierland. Pretty solid haul. This one's from Paris, so that's probably the best one we got.
I'm so excited for that one, yeah. Very Cheshire.
I really like this Star Wars one as well. It's a jack-o'-lantern, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, very Cheshire heavy, as Jasmine was saying.
I really like this one. It's just a clean LGM.
Oh yeah,
It's
yeah.
really
Actually, that one's
cute.
probably my favorite one.
Yeah.
So
Super cute.
yeah, shout out to my man Mike for that one. And then other than that, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much good. That's pretty much it. I don't know. It's pretty much it. Let us know, guys.
Also, I want to give a shout out to Blanca. The other day, she got me these pins. She traded for them online and zapped them to me. So now I'm only missing like 2, I think. Yeah.
So if you know Jazz, she's been trying to collect this whole
Yeah,
set.
I think I'm just missing the skate and the jacket. So 2, my bad, yeah.
So yeah, let us know if you guys have them. All right, guys, so that's it. Another trip at the books. Had a pretty good time today at Disneyland. I don't know. I mean, it was like a really chill day, as usual.
Oh my god.
I
She
know,
says
I
this
know.
every time. We're going to take a chill today. It was a chill day. Yes. It's always chill.
It's always chill here at the land. Nothing like it, though, honestly. I love being here.
He does. He's always in a great mood. When we're here. Not that he's ever in a bad mood, because he really never is.
I like to hold her hand when we're here. So.
But he gets really happy when we're here at Disneyland.
Sorry. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, man. Other than that, if you liked the video, please do leave a like, comment, and or subscribe if you're brand new here. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at AdamChrispins with a Z. And
Is there anything else? I feel like there was something else we were going to say, but don't remember.
no. But I'm grateful that we got the new Jack NuiMO, because I do feel like that one's gonna sell out.
I freaked out because when we got off the tram, I'm like, we have to go to World of Disney right now, and there was like hundreds of them. But
yeah,
you know me.
always happens. So yeah, guys, if you like the video again, please watch the next one and the one after that.
I'm hungry.
Peace.
Good night.
All right, guys, so we're officially at our third Target. Hopefully we find it right now. We'll see. Here's the section. Nothing.
Not even the box.
No. They have Squish'ems though. One day, Jess, one day.